Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a step-by-step video tutorial on my dog collar bandana pattern. This one is a little bit different from the one I've shared in the past. This one's reversible, so basically there's no fold in the back. It's a nice finish for both front and back. That way you're able to display both fabrics nicely. And yeah, also I wanted to mention that last year I also made a video explaining how to alter the previous sewing pattern and create a reversible one instead. So if you already own my pattern, check the previous video. But if you don't, continue watching. So you're gonna get extra small all the way to extra large. The bigger sizes though, we do need to assemble them quickly. So just follow the instructions on the pattern, connect part 1 and 2 to make a completed piece. Okay, so let's get started by cutting 2 out of fabric, and now we're going to place them right sides together, and we're going to be sewing 1/2 inch on the top only. And then once you get it, do a nice press, open up the seam. And I also recommend, if you're working with cotton, do a nice serge at the ends, at the sides of the bandana, because we're going to actually create a 1/4 hem on them. Okay, so this is how your bandana should be looking so far, and once again we're going to place them right sides together, and this time we're going to sew them together from one corner to the other corner using a 1/4 seam allowance. And the last step is to do its stitch across from one corner to the other corner, like how I'm showing you guys on the video. And yeah, after that we're pretty much done. This is how it turned out. I think this design is a lot quicker and easier, but just keep in mind that this one, I think it's best to display both fabrics. If you want to use your scraps, then I recommend the other pattern, but both are super easy to use though. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. See you on the next one. Bye.